days, I'm in a bunch of online meetings, likewise the whole world. And the thing is that in these online meetings, sometimes people don't really want to show their background, so they have virtual backgrounds or they blur out their backgrounds. But some people like to be an open book and show the real thing, saying this is my house, this is where I work. There's no need to blur anything out. But they sometimes sit in an area where it's a little bit more secluded, so not many people are coming in their camera. But sometimes what happens is that some people accidentally miss a calculation and they sit in front or near a mirror. And now, even if someone is walking on the other side of the camera, the mirror reflects it and the people in the online meeting can see what's going on back there. So here's where my unique thought comes into play. Tools like Gmail, Google Meet, Zoom, where you take these online meetings from, they already have AI inbuilt. So what if we add another extra, which while still maintaining a real authentic background, it can blur out unwanted objects or unwanted people, so that way we can maintain that person's privacy that isn't on the screen and still keep the business attitude, the meeting decorum in place. Let me know what you think about this. And if you haven't guessed already, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop, specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought by just monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. And if I could get my unique thought by just an online meeting, then you could too. So make sure to keep your eyes and your mind wide open. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!